This is the single sangria, okay? I guess like kind of sangria for one. Strawberry slices. All you wine lovers, who don't make a big pot of sangria, blueberries, big batch, give this a try. Blueberries, okay? Fresh squeezed lemon juice. All right, okay. Then we come behind with fresh squeezed lime juice. It's like a fruit salad almost, okay? Hit it with some orange juice. Okay. Bit of cognac. Guess what? I would more muddle these fruits just a little bit. Just crush the grapes. Just crush the blueberries and the strawberries just a little bit. Then we add in our wine. Just a little bit to get some of the flavors out of those. You know what I mean? Give it a little stir. But hey, this is an easy way to get your sangria on. Hit it with a little bit of lemon lime soda too. For those of you hardcore who don't want water down your wine, you can leave the lemon lime soda out. There ain't no rules against that. A little toast. And there you have it, okay? Single sangria, all right? Look at our wrap around. Way to go, Sheena. Sheena's so tiny, it's hard, okay? My muscles are too big. My muscles are bulging. Oh my God, okay? If only I wasn't so buff, okay? If I was just a little less buff. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy. I need to quit working out.